Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Gaki Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how to use a coffee maker, how to make coffee using a coffee maker. And before we start this video, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we have our coffee here. This is our coffee. We have some water here and we have sugar here. Let me show how to use how to make coffee using a coffee maker. This is the filter, you use it here, you put it inside here, close like this. You take your jug, you just press it here down. Close it like that. Back here we have this one. So just open it, you put your water inside here. You can measure your water if you want. Make sure this thing is full. Just put it and place it back here. You just turn this way, just open here. Put your coffee inside. Okay, just put one spoon. Put your sugar. Then you just like that. You take your socket, just at the back here of your coffee maker is a place this place here. You just put it on into a socket, or it was already on. And just your coffee gets started. Guys, as you see, this is a coffee maker. I'm selling them. If you want one, you can just comment down below there. And I know it's a good one. I've been using it for so long time. I can't complain. Na sababu kuna baridi, I have to show you this coffee maker. Let's wait for our coffee to be ready and we enjoy. Just give it like 5 minutes. I know it will be ready. Let's just wait for it. Enjoy the coffee. Najua kuna baridi sana. And here I got something. I know I love it. I've been using it for so long time. I bought it in a certain shop, but no, I am first go. Zangu hizi niuze. I have a lot of them. If you just want one, comment down below. And I appreciate you so much for supporting me so much. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Keep supporting me as I keep giving you good content each and every day, guys. Let's look for a coffee. Come on. You can just get that. Just Wow, I love it. So if you want a coffee maker from me, that